Alan resembles what a lot of people do on LinkedIn, and I have no judgment of what Alan's decided to do on LinkedIn. I have empathy for it, but I want to explain to you the mentality behind most people, why they join LinkedIn and what traps they fall into. This is basically all of the mistakes wrapped up in a little story about this dude from The Hangover. Alan starts by updating his profile. So LinkedIn will suggest that he updates his profile. He's got a CV, so he puts a lot of experience that he's had in his career up there. Then he gets a lot of connection requests. So before you know it, he's got over 500 connections, and he's telling people, oh, my LinkedIn's so good, like I've got over 500 connections. Then they have discussions, and he starts meeting up with some of them for coffee. This is so cool, like I've got all these connections, I'm meeting up with them for coffee. Then he starts posting some content on a daily basis about what he's up to with all these people that he's catching up and got like some sort of relationship with. Then he's not happy with the engagement, so he's looking for ways to hack the algorithm. And then one guy says to him, do you want to join a group of other content creators? And every day we post a link in the group, and if you like our stuff, we'll like your stuff and we'll comment on your stuff as well. And he's like, oh, wow. So now he's getting like 100 likes on his content and 50 comments, and then he's liking and commenting on the people in his network as well. Does that make sense? He's hacked the algorithm. He's using manipulation tricks to get engagement. And so if you look at his profile, you think, oh yeah, this guy's pretty active. He's getting a lot of engagement, right? Because people see the problem with this story. He's got a CV on his profile. So if you're communicating with your customer, your CV is one of the most boring pieces of information that you could possibly give them. Like, have you ever bought anything because you walked into a shop and they're like, oh, here's my resume? Sorry?
Is he after a job or after clients?
Alan's after clients.
Why is his CV up there?
Exactly, because he doesn't know any better. Like, that's what LinkedIn's suggesting for him to do. It was actually created as a Rolodex of CVs, by the way. There's more salespeople and marketers on there now than there are people recruiting for jobs. It's awesome. The opportunity is so awesome because LinkedIn never anticipated this market, so their products suck. Like, they're okay, but they're not very good. Like, paying for in-mail so you can message people that you don't know and advertisement is like a 1-2% conversion rate. You connect with people and build a relationship with them and send them a private message, which is free. It's 15 to 40% conversion rate if you do it properly. So the problem is he grew his network by being reactive. He's accepting and rejecting, not requesting. Why? Because he doesn't know what to do. Like, he doesn't know how to use the advanced search feature. He doesn't know who his target audience is, so he's being reactive. So LinkedIn, if you think LinkedIn's like crap because you get all the sales letters, it's just a result of your network. Like, if you just cull everyone and only connect with dentists, you're going to get a lot of content from dental practitioners. But if you're reactive, the chances are most people that are going to send you a connection request are either salespeople or recruiters, or they want to go on a date with you, or they've got some like self-serving interest in connecting with you. They're not necessarily going to be your potential clients. Or tie kickers. Like, so people that want to catch up with a coffee with you because they want to sell you something, they want to recruit you, or they got nothing better to do. You'd be a little bit careful about people that got too much time on their hands. Coffee after coffee and coffee after coffee. He's sharing content, but he's sharing links to content off of LinkedIn. He's sharing other people's content. He's seeing crap content in his feed because all of these people are in the same boat that he is. So he just thinks that that's how you post on LinkedIn. That's how you post on LinkedIn. He does not seeing any of the good content. So LinkedIn is spam. This is the way to get ahead. You join an engagement pod. Now, along the way, what's happened is he's created all these biases. So if somebody comes along like me and says, get out of the engagement pod, change your profile, what you're doing is wrong, he's going to defend that naturally as a human being. Because it's his livelihood, he's got a sense of pride with the fact that he gets loads of likes and loads of comments, but he is not making any money off social media at all, and he's spending a lot of time on it.